Right now, you are probably paying for multiple AI subscriptions, ChatGPT Plus, Claude Pro, maybe Gemini Advanced on top of that. Every month, 3 separate bills, 3 separate logins, 3 different contexts to manage, and at the end of it, none of them can actually do work for you. They answer questions, they help you write things faster, but you still do all the actual work yourself. They cannot build you a functioning app. They cannot automate your inbox or post on social media on your behalf. They cannot run a 40-page deep research report and turn it into a presentation with charts while you focus on something else. They are tools, powerful tools, but you are still the one operating them. This video is about a tool that flips that. An AI agent that does not just help you work, it works for you. Before we get into it, this video is sponsored by Abacus AI, and I want to give them a genuine look. I researched this tool properly before agreeing to make it. Independent reviewers, user feedback, real benchmarks, and the value proposition here is genuine enough that I am comfortable recommending it to this audience. What Abacus AI actually is. Abacus AI is a platform with 2 main parts. The first part is called ChatLLM. This is where you access every major AI model in one place. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, all of them. One dashboard, one subscription. Right now, paying for all 3 of those separately costs you around $60 a month. ChatLLM starts at $10. That alone is worth paying attention to. The second part is what makes this different from everything else. It is called Abacus AI Agent, also known as Deep Agent. This is not a chatbot. This is an autonomous agent that can take a goal, plan the steps to reach it, and execute them without you managing every move. There is a real difference between an AI that helps you work and an AI that works for you. Deep Agent is trying to be the second thing. What it can actually build. The most impressive thing I saw in the product demos is this. You type one prompt, something like, build me a SaaS app for managing client leads with user login, a database, and Stripe payment integration. Deep Agent builds it. A full-stack web app, with hosting, with a real database, with authentication, with Stripe already connected from one natural language prompt. To be clear about what this means, normally this would take a developer several days. Abacus AI Agent does it in minutes. There is also a full coding environment inside the platform that independently reached #1 on Terminal Bench, beating Claude Code and other leading coding agents. That is a real benchmark, not marketing language. You can also build mobile apps the same way. Describe what you want. Get a functional app with a real backend. If you have a product idea and no development team, this is the most direct path from idea to working product that currently exists. The automation that runs while you sleep. The second major capability is computer use. This is where Abacus AI Agent can actually operate a computer on your behalf. Not just generate text, not just give you a plan. Actually log in, click, type, navigate, execute. From the demos in the brief, the agent connects to LinkedIn and messages people automatically. It posts on X on your behalf. It can generate leads by browsing the web and compiling contacts. It connects to Jira and builds an interactive dashboard from your project data in real time. It connects to Gmail, reads your emails, and can draft and send responses. It connects to Slack and posts messages. The honest version of what this means. If you have repetitive tasks that live on a computer screen, you can describe them to Abacus AI Agent and let it handle them. This is called computer use, and it is genuinely new behavior for AI tools at a consumer price point. Research and presentations. The third thing worth calling out is deep research. If you ask a standard chatbot to research something, you get a summary. Abacus AI Agent does something closer to what a research team does. It browses the web, pulls data from multiple sources, cross-references findings, and compiles structured output. It can then turn that research into a full presentation, with charts, graphs, and formatted slides automatically. This is genuinely useful for anyone who regularly produces reports, decks, or briefings. A task that would normally take hours of research and formatting becomes something you describe and wait for. All the AI models in one place. One thing I want to highlight separately because I think it is underrated. ChatLLM gives you access to every major frontier AI model. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, Llama, all of them in one interface, for one price. The platform also has a feature that automatically routes your prompt to the best model for that specific task. You do not have to think about which model is best for which job. It picks for you. On top of that, image generation with models like DALL-E, Flux, and GPT Image. Video generation with Sora 2 and Veo 3. Text-to-speech, a humanized feature that makes AI-generated content sound less robotic before you publish it.
Hello, how are you?
If you are currently juggling multiple subscriptions to access these capabilities, you are paying significantly more than you need to. Custom chatbots for your specific use case. One more thing that is worth a mention, because it is practical. You can build your own custom AI chatbot inside the platform. No coding required. You describe what you want it to do, feed it information, and it becomes a specialist. The demos show a workout generator chatbot, a nutrition advisor, a finance manager, a tennis coach. These are not generic AI assistants that give you the same answer they would give anyone. They are built on specific information you give them. Your products, your data, your workflows. If you run a business and you want an AI assistant that actually knows what you do and who your customers are, you train one here. A customer support bot for your own website. A sales assistant trained on your product catalog. A research tool trained on your industry documents. This is the custom AI that previously required a developer to build. Here you just describe it. The base plan is $10 a month. It includes access to ChatLLM with all the AI models, image and video generation, the humanized feature, and 3 deep agent tasks per month. For the full AI agent capability, the computer use, the app building, the automation workflows, you upgrade to the Pro tier. That is an additional $10 to $20 per month, giving you access to approximately 25 agent tasks per month. I want to be straight with you. 25 tasks sounds limited if you think each task is a quick question, but each task here is things like, build me an app, or run LinkedIn outreach for 200 contacts, or research this market and make me a deck. These are not small prompts. At that scope, 25 tasks a month is more than most people will use. The platform link is in the description. If you want to try it, start with the $10 plan and see how much you can do before deciding whether the Pro tier makes sense for you. I am going to be real for a second. Abacus AI Agent is genuinely impressive at what it can do. Building a full-stack app from a text prompt is not a gimmick. Running computer tasks autonomously is not something most AI tools offer at this price. Having every major AI model in one place for $10 is objectively good value. The platform does have a learning curve. The agent works best when your instructions are specific and detailed. Vague prompts get vague results. That is true of every AI tool, but it matters more when the agent is taking multi-step actions. If you give it clear instructions and realistic tasks, it performs well. Independent reviewers who go in knowing what to expect describe Deep Agent as genuinely mind-blowing when it works. That is an honest summary. Worth trying. Worth the $10 to find out. The link is in the description. It is deepagent.abacus.ai for the agent and chatllm.abacus.ai for the full platform. Start with the base plan, explore what ChatLLM gives you with all the models, and try a deep agent task to see what autonomous AI actually feels like. If you have been looking for one tool that replaces several, this is the most credible version of that I have seen at this price.